Alright, this is gonna be a part 3 of the video. Look, I got the old relay out. As you can see, the 6-pin. So here it is. And now I'm gonna take out this one out. So I'm gonna skip to the part where I'm gonna desolder the relay, so you won't be seeing that. Alright, right now I'm waiting for this thing to cool down before I pull out the relay out. So whew. This is hot. And there we go. Took it out. And now, the moment of truth. Let's see. This one on here. Since this is a 24 volt DC, the previous one I had is 12 volt DC, so I didn't want to order the 12 volt off of eBay. Damn thing. There we go. I got it in. So I'm gonna pause it because I'm gonna be soldering these things back. I don't want to add flux, so no, I'm just gonna add flux because that's way faster. So sometimes might not be the flux. I have to like clean it out. Cause the way I'm supposed to do this way, cause where I live at is really, you know, air polluted. So this is a lot of people drive their cars. Could have used like a small vacuum, make it much easier. So, okay, I think I'm doing something wrong. Oh shit. Now I have to test this. Okay, I know I wrote it down. So this is just a diagram I just wrote so I could remember all the wiring. So I'm gonna connect all of the wires and test it if it works. So right now I'm charging the 12-volt battery. So this is gonna be a part 3. So I'm gonna see if I could make a charger for this. because when I bought this, it did not come with a charger. So yeah, I was gonna test it with the charger, but I think if I make like a 12-volt charger for it, that's not a direct current. That's an AC, alternating current. So this motor, okay, is a direct current. So I need the battery, not the charger. So just waiting for the battery to be fully charged. And I'm gonna be testing the controller. See if this 24-volt DC direct current relay actually works with this motor. This motor is meant for 12-volt anyway, so I'm going over volts. So yeah, if I was to plug a 24-volt battery, that would have burnt out the motor. So yeah, so I'm gonna wait. So I'm gonna be making the final video, and I'm really tired right now because this is hard labor right here, doing something, you know, high humidity. What is this? 89, what is it? 89 degree Fahrenheit. So I'm dehydrated right now, and I'm gonna get me something to drink to get me hydrated, you know, because I'm dehydrated right now. So yeah, stay tuned, because it's gonna take like 3 to 4 hours for the final video to show that, you know, what I did, soldering the thing, the relay, put it with the working one, and so yeah, or I'm gonna end the video.